Hi, this is Joe again, and I'm back with another tip on how to actually look at profiles when it comes to Firefox. Now, when it comes to Firefox, when you first install Firefox, it comes with its own default profile. Now, you can set up multiple profiles for multiple people on your computer if you decide to. Or if you want to delete your profile, if you have issues with like add-ons and things like that, it might be corrupt on your profile because sometimes that does happen with Firefox. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to actually go ahead and set that up. So first off, what we need to do is actually go where it's located. Now you will have to type in a command in order to access this here. So in order to do that, you can go ahead and go to run on here and hit run. Now here I'm already typed it in. As you can see here, program files x86 Mozilla Firefox slash firefox.exe. Now on the end here, you notice there is a -p. That means profile. So when you put that in here and hit OK, Firefox is going to pop up with a little box on your screen here. And when it comes to this box here that's popping up here in a second, it will show you the different profiles like you see here. I have an admin one and a default one. The default one is my main one that I use for all my stuff here. Admin is pretty much like a backup profile just in case I have an issue with my main one. I can go in here and do what I need to do. Now you can rename your profile and delete your profile. Now like I said before, also if you're trying to have multiple people use your profile, or not profile, but want to have their own profile, you can set it up here. Now you can uncheck this here, so each time when Firefox starts up, you can go ahead and pretty much let them select their profile. Now fair warning though, since you're using your Windows logon here, they're going to have access to all your different programs on here, including this here. So I would not do this unless you really trust them. You're better off just go ahead and actually create their own profiles in Windows. But if you want to create multiple profiles for yourself, this would be a great way to do that. Now again, you can use this to delete any profiles that you have here if you're having problems with it. All you have to do is go ahead and click on delete. Now it's going to ask you if you want to delete your files. That means when it comes to your profile, it's going to delete all your add-ons and your favorites, passwords, all that will be deleted. Now if you want to keep your files, you can do that. It'll just pretty much remove the profile there off the list, but the files will still be there. So if you need to retrieve it for later on, it'll still be there. But if you do this, as you can see here, there is no way to retrieve it. For here, I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I already have it backed up. And right now what it is actually doing is deleting all the files and everything when it comes to that profile. Once it's done deleting all those files for that profile, you'll see it right here, it just deleted. Now what you can do now, you can go ahead and create a new profile, and pretty much all you do is step by step on how to set your profile. Now this is where the default will be here when it comes to your profile. Now you don't have to have that particular folder. You can choose a different folder. Just click on choose folder, and it doesn't have to be here. It can be anywhere you want when it comes to that. You can be on your C drive, or if you have a network drive, which I would not prefer because if your network goes down, your profile is not there. So if you have a separate drive or external hard drive you want to put your profile, you can select that in whatever folder you have set up for it. Once you're done, you can create your own name. You can do default, your name, whatever. So this one here, I'll put down Joe. After that, your profile is done. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and hit start when it comes to that profile, and Firefox is now going to start up with your new profile. It's not going to have any except for the default. It's going to have those add-ons and whatnot you do have there. Pretty much once you're done having everything all set up, you're good to go. As you can see, everything's going to be default. It's going to have tabs talking about, your home page will be that, and of course it's going to try to connect to the internet as well too for their websites. But otherwise that's it. Nothing really fancy about it. That's how you create your own profiles and delete profiles. And again, this is a good way, if you're having issues with your profile, you can't start it up for some strange reason, it's not working correctly. Go ahead and do that by going back down here to start and run, and you'll be able to access that. Now, if you don't have the run option here, you can go ahead and put that on there. To access that part there, right click on anywhere in this area here, and it's going to give you the option, I should say, sorry, right there, like in the blank spot around here. Go to properties, and you'll see this here. It gives you an option to customize for the start menu. Go down here towards the bottom here, or close towards the bottom, and it's going to give you options here. You'll see run command. You can do it that way. So select that, hit OK, and you're good, and click apply, and it'll apply the settings. Click OK. Now you'll have to run right there if need be. Otherwise, pretty much that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a message on my blog, and I'm more than happy to assist you.